We've got 6 hours, 6 hours.
You should go and do a tour of the house.
Tour of the house.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Energy!
Loathing, unadulterated loathing.
Disclaimer, the person that has the hiccups is holding the camera. Proceed. So us three are off out. We're meeting Leslie. We're going to go up the village and go Costa. We're just going to go for a little walk this morning before a busy day, before tonight's fundraiser.
Fun.
Got lots to do.
What you fundraising for?
The theatre group. And yeah, we've got speakers because we're using our sound equipment, so we've got speakers, all the wires, amps, mixers, everything. We've got someone coming at 4:30 to load up their car with our stuff because we're not sure we'll fill it all in our car with the buggy and his car seat.
Isn't it? It's high chair.
And I haven't done any editing yet, so that's one of the things on the list to do. But we're going to go out now, have a nice little walk. It's a bit cold this morning, but it's fine. We're warm in our hearts. Well, we're off home now. Didn't film with Leslie again. Just can't stand that girl, you know. I said I can't stand Leslie. It's raining. It's raining. And what time is it? It's 25 to 11. And we've got to start loading the car at 4:30. So we've got 6 hours to do editing, get all the showering done, hair, makeup, costumes, speakers, wires, and also obviously cleaning and tidying as well. Well, I did ask Adrian to do some of that while we were out, so hopefully it's lovely and tidy. I am fully expecting him to be on FIFA when we get in. There you go. What did I say? But he had only just got on it when we come in, so now he's mad.
It hadn't even loaded. But you should go and do a tour of the house.
Tour of the house.
Yeah.
Because it's all clean.
Yeah. And check the front door. Check the front door.
Check the front door.
Check the front door.
What's up with the front door? Ah, look. Oh, falling over. Got all the speakers, well, 2 of the speakers down and ready.
I saw that.
Good.
Check the kitchen.
I saw the kitchen.
Me too, 'cause I'm at the corner.
Look at the kitchen, all
Kitchen,
lovely.
all lovely.
And the dishwasher's on.
Dishwasher.
Good. Good. Hey y'all, what's going on? Energy.
It's not me. What can I say? Okay, so basically I got about 2 games of FIFA in before Hudson needed a bottle, and then Gemma's mum and dad came round, bring some stuff. He's got a new coat. Oh man, it looks awesome. Done the playlist for tonight's show. That's done. I got all the stuff down. That's by the front door, ready to go. Gemma's letting her hair dry. Yeah. And well, I just put Hudson down for a nap. So FIFA?
Go on.
Yes.
So I'm all ready for tonight. It's 4:15, which means that Leslie, who's babysitting, should be arriving soon, and Sarah, who's helping us get all the stuff over there, should be arriving soon. And we're all ready. Ish. Oh yeah, ish. I've got trousers drying in the tumble dryer, but I might not need them, but they should be dry any minute. But I've got a white dress on. I'm Glinda, the good witch. So yeah, looking forward to tonight.
What is this feeling? So
sudden I knew I felt alone. I laid eyes on you. My pulse is rushing, my head is reeling, my face is flushing. What is this feeling? Burning as a flame. Does it have a name? Loathing, unadulterated loathing for your face, your clothing. Let's just say I love it all. Every little trait, however small, makes my very flesh begin to crawl. A lot of loathing, there's a strange exhilaration in such total detestation. It's so pure, so strong. Though I do it came up fast. Still I do believe that it can last, and I will be loathing, loathing my whole life long. Well, these things I seem to try.
The night's over. She's still got wine. My friend is going to drive my car home, so I'm drinking wine. It doesn't work with a straw.
No, let's get rid of
You hardly.
Oh my god, it in your eye.
Woohoo! Disclaimer: the person that has the hiccups is holding the camera. Proceed.
My hair's doing that bad boy flippy thing.
Have you ever watched Gotham? Someone pointed out a thing where he looks like Penguin.
Apparently I look like a
When
penguin.
it's done like this. He does. He looks like... He's a hotter version of Penguin though. But we raised a lot of money for the company. I enjoy the hiccups. They're fun. You never know when they're gonna come, and they just like break up your day a bit.
Oh, she's
Big-
a nana.
Big up to Robin, her first night out tonight after having a baby, and she even got to wax her husband. She waxed his chest after she's had a baby. That's awesome. Men, don't go away.
Climbing over.
Men in general should have to have their chests waxed after their wife or partner or whatever has a baby. That should just be the law. These hiccups, they're entertaining me, to be honest.
You know what? If we keep this one going, we could have a whole compilation of you just going.
I did think about doing a whole video of just like the silent bits. All the bits in between talking, like where you and me are both going Yeah, I did think about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you enjoyed our singing, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy our singing, give us a thumb down. And we'll make sure that we have a whole video dedicated to singing. No, thank you for watching. Bye bye, love you, goodbye. He's stroking my face, okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow, bye. Not on my nose. Thank you, bye.